to two-thirds of the Earth is covered with water. We have seen most of the land birds in our journey, but many birds will be able to. Let's active for an expedition. We have Karen, Pony, Fairy, Rockhopper, and Humble Penguins, where we have the largest collection in the world in captivity. Welcome to the Swan Lake, where we can observe closely the graceful swans. See them glide across the water with no effort at all. To your right, the pelicans. We have all the seven species of the world in the pelican code. Look at their beaks, so huge! They have a pouch that can hold 13 liters of water. But the pelican must make sure it empties its beak